My name's Aaron, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I'm fantastic and I'm doing really well. And today I'm viewing Maison France's Kurkdjian Gentle Fluidity Silver Eau de Parfum. It's only showing 35ml on the site, so this is £95 for 35ml. The notes are juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, base notes of musk, amberwoods and vanilla. Do we have our tiny bottles of Gentle Fluidity Silver? I'll engage with the higher self. Let's get testing. Child-proof boxes. So of course I can't get in. I think this is a very clever idea. I think these are all based around to do with clean washing and sillage and all that sort of stuff. I don't like the name, Gentle Fluidity. So if I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how to feel about that. This is strong. And the first thing you're smelling is a sweet note of Dynascone molecules. They're really nice. Insanely expensive feminist raw material. Gives sweetness, like a berry sweetness to it. But that's what I got first of all. Kind of can't detect it after a while. Musk, heavy, clean, cold, crisp. It does smell of silver, which is a bit weird. It does smell of silver, clean, metallic. I think you really have to like herbaceous, dry fragrances for this. I think you really have to like that juniper berry to really get into it. His work's so clever. I mean, I give him that. Even if you don't like his work, you get a wall of radiating fragrance. This is so cold, crisp, clean washing. I think all of these, Fluidity Silver, the other one I'll be reviewing, and that 724, I think they're all the same sort of clean washing sort of smell, which I think is very, very clever to do that because clean washing is one of my most favorite things. You have a cacophony of musks working at the core, the top, the base. But undoubtedly, what you're smelling is ambretolide. And ambretolide with fruit molecules goes berry-like. This is what's working in here. The helio and the azu super, the ambroxan fruit raw materials, and then the musks, cold, clean, crisp. I know I keep saying that, but that's kind of what you're getting is cold, clean, crisp. I've tested the 724. You imagine being dyslexic and saying that. And this is in the same family, but different. And the other one was more radiant. That one was more radiant. This one is less radiant and more dense, which means it's sort of more musk heavy. It's more herbaceous, a lot more notes in there going on, a lot more naturals going on. The sort of patchouli-like raw materials giving cleanness to it, sharpness to it. Nutmeg, citruses, all sort of combining to give coldness, cleanness. Onto my final thoughts. I don't really like this, and I feel a bit embarrassed. I like the 724. This one, I don't like that. There's a note in it I don't like. That is the fruit-like raw materials combined with the ambretolide. I just don't really like that. You're going to really love this or you're not going to like it. I'm excited to try the other ones to see kind of what I think. This has got a signature on it, which is radiant, clean, long-lasting. But that sort of coriander note, I think it's coriander note, I don't really like. And I think if that was removed, I'd really like it. Again, when it dries down, you get in that real clean washing smell. But as you can see, I'm going in quite a lot to it. Super professional. All the information is there that you need. His work is always excellent at longevity, projection, all that sort of stuff. £95 for 30ml. I think his work is like top end, if I'm kind of honest with you, but you're kind of getting what you pay for, aren't you? I love the construction with the acetates, the linalool-like raw materials, the sort of dihydromercenol have to give sort of a slight blueness to it. And Ambretolide, the musk, I think it's really excellently constructed, but I don't like that coriander note. And I think if you've got this, you'll know what I mean. The coriander note is kind of sticking out a little bit too much for me. Sort of herbaceous. The Dynascone molecules are really, really apparent in this. It's kind of super, super apparent. I don't know if it's because I'm working with it a lot. The coriander note is just really, really not what I'm liking about it. I think if that was removed, I'd really like it, but it's so strong, that work, you can't really get away from it. I'm marking an 8 out of 10. I think it's really excellent. The price is top end. The projection and longevity and all that stuff is excellent. I love the concept of clean washing. I've been going on about clean washing for a long time. I was thinking about doing a clean washing fragrance that just has sort of radiance and cleanness to it for quite a while now, working on developing something like it. But I wouldn't put coriander in it, but I think it's super, super clever and I think it's super innovative and I kind of love the concept behind it. If that was gone, the price, the mark would have gone up. But I think 8 out of 10 is really, really good. Really excellent perfumery. So love that review, thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating, interesting content, lots of moving hands and lots of fragrance views. I hope you're staying safe and well. See you soon.